Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to disable the microphone in OBS. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, it is quite easy to disable the microphone. Initially, if you have added it from the sources, what you guys can do is simply turn off the volume to the very low. That way, even though your microphone has not been disabled, it will not pick up any sounds. In case you have added it from the audio sources, what I recommend you guys to do is simply go to settings right here at the bottom right. From here, what you guys need to do is just go to audio right here, that's available on the left side. Click on it and just disable the microphone right here. As you can see, currently I have added a microphone. Simply click on the drop down and click on disabled. Once you've done that, simply hit on apply and OK. That is it guys, that's how we disable microphone in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.